Okay, this problem number 16 appears in the review, but it is incomplete and therefore does not have an answer on the answer key. So I just made up an equation of a line, y equals 12x minus 5. So you can see I did that right here. So it says find the coordinates of the points on the graph of y equals x cubed, where the tangent line through the points, potentially points, more than one, is parallel to the line, and then it didn't have an equation of a line. So when I wrote this review, I neglected to finish the problem. Therefore, when I made the answer key, there was no answer for number 16 because it was not a complete problem. So if I just make the line y equals 12x minus 5, what that means is I've got this graph of y equals x cubed. I'm going to draw a quick picture. Here's y equals x cubed. And I've got another line, y equals 12x minus 5. So somewhere it's got, a y-intercept of -5, and it's got a pretty steep slope, of 12. So we'll just, let's make this a little bit less sloppy. So it's got some kind of a, whoa, I'm going to have to make it a little unrealistic, because if I try and make it too steep, then it's going to make it vertical, and it's not vertical. It's going to look vertical. So what I'm looking for is a slope. We'll say that this slope is 12 over 1, right? Up 12, right 1. I'm looking for where this slope is the same on the graph. So it would appear maybe right there when x has a positive value, and then when x has a negative value, right? Tangent right here, tangent right here. So this, hopefully the color coding is helping. I'll use a little highlight here. Here's the equation of the line. We want it to be parallel to that. So we're going to be looking probably at something like right there, and maybe something like right there. And all of those three lines, the two blue ones and the purple one, would be parallel. Okay, now that you have an idea of what it looks like, we have to find the equation of those two blue lines. So this is what I did first. I said, well, find the coordinates of the points on the graph where the tangent line, as soon as it says tangent line, the tangent line's slope, so the slope of the tangent line is equal to the derivative, right? So it's equal to y prime. And when I say y prime, I'm talking about this y equals x cubed. And it's going to be parallel to, so I want a parallel slope. Remember, parallel slopes are equal. Parallel slopes are equal. So I want it to be parallel to y equals 12x minus 5. Therefore, I want this slope to be a positive 12. So y prime equals 12. Well, now we just have to find out what y prime is. So if y is equal to x cubed, y prime is going to equal 3x squared. So I've got 3x squared equals 12. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. X squared equals 4. Therefore, x equals plus or minus 2. And it says the point, I'll do this in orange, the point, or more than one point. There's going to be more than one point because I'm going to have x equals 2 and x equals negative 2. Well, what point lies on y equals x cubed when x is positive 2? Well, when x is positive 2, 2 cubed is 8. And when x is negative 2, negative 2 cubed is negative 8. So the 2 points are 2 positive 8 and negative 2 negative 8.